Alright, in this lesson we're going to learn the G major scale. It consists of notes G, A, B, C, E, and F sharp. So we have one sharp. All the rest of the notes are primary notes, meaning there's no sharps or flats involved. And that should help you remember it. Just remember that G has one F sharp, or one sharp, and that's F sharp. Now in figure 1 we'll see the 7 different notes from the major scale in the key of G. The G string played open in parentheses is the octave, so it's technically the first note at a higher pitch, and this is how it would sound if you played it. And it's, you know, if you remember your do re mi song, that's basically what the major scale is. In figure 2 we have the extended G major scale, which just means that we're going to add, while we're in this G-shaped position, we're going to add all available notes from the scale on all 6 strings. Instead of just playing like we did in figure 1, we played through the 7 different notes once and added the octave. In figure 2 we're going to do the extended version. We're going to repeat all the notes. Any notes that are available to us on these, basically these first few frets, and it would go like this. And you know, learning the extended version helps you to find different ways to play things. Instead of just being locked with those 7 notes, you can play those same notes on all 6 strings. In figure 3 we have the G pentatonic major, and which we learned previously. Now the major scale, we're adding again the 4th and 7th scale steps. Those are the most dissonant scale steps, and the G pentatonic, as you'll see in figure 3, is 5 of the 7 notes, and it's an easier pattern to play when you're improvising, and it doesn't have those dissonant notes, so it doesn't, you know, it doesn't create as many problems for you. Now if we look at figure 4, we'll see the G major scale and the G pentatonic comparison. The notes in parentheses are the notes that we added from the major scale, which we'll see the 4th and 7th scale step appears several times throughout the pattern. Now with this major scale, we'll use it in another lesson to create variations on the G chord, and we'll also use it to create slash chords in another lesson. And you know, the G major scale is probably where, you know, if you come up with a melody, you'd come up more like the melody with the G major scale instead of the G pentatonic. You can also do it with the G pentatonic, but again, the G pentatonic is more for fills, and it's, you know, it doesn't have as much harmonic, you know, you can't do as much with it. Now the G major scale, again, it creates a little problem for you, because that 4th and 7th scale step, if not used properly, will really mess things up. So work on this for now, and again we'll use this to create more colorful chords, slash chords, and you know, it's a very important scale step, and so I would not skip the major scale. It's very important, so spend some time learning it in the key of G here, and you'll see here in another couple days how beneficial it can be to you.